Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and you want to hit the bell because I do a lot of surprise uploads and bonus videos, and so you're going to want to know when those go up. Today we're reviewing a wig, and we're going to review Motown Tress's DEW, and it says it's a deep part lace wig, safe up to 400 degrees. I have her in the color that's shown, which is RT1B Blonde Swirl. I scooped her up from WigTypes for $23.49. I just really loved how this color looks on the model, so I was interested to see what she was all about. So let's go ahead and get her. This is her. It says her finished length is 23 inches. I do like the coloring. I wonder what it's gonna look like once it's all like combed out. I don't know, I guess I was expecting a little something different, so I'm interested to see how this looks on. I do like this like coloring. I think it's really interesting, so I'm here for it on that regard. Let's look at her cap construction. She was a lace front wig. I cut the lace off already, so she's a lace front wig, combs to the front, 2 in the front, set wide, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Motown Tress, in my experience, tends to be a smaller wig cap, so we will see. This unit is Model's Electra. I have a review on her. If it's not up and you want to see it, go ahead and put that down below. And then I also have an update video on her as well. So let me get DEW on and we'll see what we're working with. Oh, okay. So she is a right-sided part. This wig smells a little bit. I think it's just from where they keep it. Where's the ear tabs? I don't know how I feel about this white situation. I almost feel like I want to dye her already or get her in a different color. All right, she's already tangled right here. All right, let me get this chick together and we'll see what we are working with. I'm not sold. As of right now, I'm not sold. But I say that sometimes and then I get them together and it's a different story. So let's try. This wig. I hate to say that because I really love Motown Tress. I don't like the coloring. I guess I don't like the coloring in this wig. Maybe a straight wig. This like heavy weird bang, I'm not feeling that. With this coloring, it almost is making it look frizzy for no reason. Let's look at her from the back. I'm not happy. I don't like this wig. I mean, the density's nice, the curls are nice, the length is nice. This just definitely isn't my jam. It feels pretty. I mean, maybe in another color, I don't know. I just feel like in this picture she's ashier. She's definitely ashier in this picture. So that's part of it. This isn't so white. And this just seems like the bang seems like, I don't know. It's not horrible if you like the style. Like I said, she's soft. Wig cap is actually pretty comfortable. I wouldn't say it's large, but I think it is larger than most Motown Tress wigs. Density is really good. I think she will tangle for sure. I'm not feeling this wig at all. So yeah, I don't even know what to say. If you like this style, maybe you might like her. I don't like this style. And I feel like this is so curly and then it's like, hi, I'm a straight bang. I don't know. It's not a horrible wig. It is comfortable. The density is nice. The texture is a silky or yucky. I like the length. It is bouncy, which is super nice. But outside of that, I'm not feeling it. This coloring for this wig is all wrong. It's too white. You know, if it was more like this and had like back here less of the white, I think it's just too heavy white in the front. That's just me. But you may like that, so I feel bad. Like, I don't want to end it like I hate this wig. It's pros and cons. For me, personal preference, this is a con. This is not my style wig. But okay, if you have this wig and you like this style or you have it another color, please put that down below for other people to read. And if you have any suggestions about this wig, please put that down below. If you have other curly Motown Tress wigs, yeah, this chick is gonna tangle. If you have other curly Motown Tress wigs that you suggest, please put that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I just have to be honest, I can't fake it, so I'm not feeling this wig. But if it's your jam, you love it, I think that's awesome. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.